heard a former bureaucrat. You've heard a bureaucrat who's at the helm of affairs. Now, how do we marry these people, their ideas with people's aspirations? And Nirmal, who better than Nirmal to talk about people participation? Up to you, Nirmal.
Thank you, sir. First thing I do is to go and give him an affectionate hug for giving us water. You have done it. தமிழ் சொல்லுவாங்க சட்டில தான் அகப்பய ஒரு தண்ணி எங்க இருக்கு தெரியல தண்ணி கொடுக்குறாங்க பாராட்டலாமா கை தட்டுங்க ப்ளீஸ். The first thing we should do. நான் பண்றேன் குயிக்கா. I make a very fast power presentation. I want to tell I'm a practitioner. I'm doing social work for 50 years. I'm not very old. I'm only 77. Okay. And you want me to speak with 30 years experience, 10 minutes, I should definitely do it. You know the famous Tamil proverb, வெண்ணையை வச்சுக்கு நெய் கலைகிறேன்னு. இப்போ சென்னையை பொறுத்தவரை நெய்யை வச்சுக்கின்னு வனஸ்பதி கலக்கணும். That's what I want to say. One or two things I like to differ with you, but I'll make a quick PowerPoint presentation. It's very powerful. Don't feel I'm trying to undermine Chennai city. When you see something bad in Chennai, it's not government. Even as people, we are 80% responsible. Government is only 20. So water available to everyone really. First, can I this one, remote? Okay, with one condition, you are talking about audit, but you know paragraph principle. The 20% is water sources. They are not managing it properly. If you do that, there is no need for people can enjoy the luxury of water. So audit of water bodies, I am going to talk very quickly. So the art of all water issues, and I want to acknowledge the presence of two of our friends, Madipakam Subramaniam and Ramarao. These are water heroes. They are restored more than 60 water bodies. I want to say that. So water bodies, water basins, bond means create affection and restore store. That's what is the paradox. You can see, do you suffer due to water shortage? If I ask, you will all say yes now. Do you get affected by the floods during rains? That also say yes. You know, you are seeing people getting drowned during the Chennai flood, but immediately 1.5 years you have water shortage. Where did the water all go? The water all went to sea. Then they start desalination. Okay, it's wrong actually. So we have two problems related to water: either no water or too much water. So I want to say very emphatically, as a practitioner, Chennai has no water problem at all. It's want of water management. The water management, yes. And water bodies, nobody's baby. Mr. Ram should later, I can send about 20 heroes who are all, stabbed because trying to protect this water body. But I'm going to show you, time to envy. This is all Trivandrum city water bodies, Bangalore city, Hyderabad city, Ahmedabad city, Bhopal city, Greater Chennai city, lakes. Okay, the main point what we all miss, I want to tell Mr. Arun Ram, without discussing solid waste, you can't discuss water. Because solid is a major problem. Nextera coined two slogans. Waste is not waste until it's wasted. It's not waste management, wealth management. Don't transfer waste, transform waste. And we are all doing it. All of us in Nextera, we do that. We have more than 1 lakh home Nextera. We don't have water shortage at all. Okay? So Chennai is the other way. You see, don't want to show you too long. Very sorry to say, 10 years ago we found one lake. One side they are pouring sewage water, other side another truck is tapping drinking water. Okay, this is Chennai. Okay, this is all the great assets, ecological assets given to us, and I took the blame on myself and people like us. So this three part, I'll go quickly. Bloom, groom. What is bloom means? I already have said it. Bloom, what we have done. I want to say, give you a good happy news that to restore a water body doesn't cost money at all. The silt is next to sand. So it's a mining activity. We need to desilt all water bodies. So let's go to bloom. This all again bloom. You can see people are crying for water. There's no need at all. Surely. So extra enter the scene I told you. So we have restored 60 water bodies actually. We are doing it very silently because this attracts the envy of the politicians who want to plot out that and all. All of you know about it. So the bloom you will see quickly. We had a lake park with MD Devasayam leading. All of us went and saw the lake. It's covered by, these are children motivated by us. They restored in Kovalam water body. You are seeing this picture. Then later we found out, CSR fund is available. You can easily restore water bodies. This Pammal, one of the earliest, this whole Pammal city, this thanks to explorers work, they have water, and we call it wadis. Wadis means water distribution. We have three segments: so wadis, D wadis, C. So wadis means source water distribution. For your house, your borewell should give water. For Chennai, Pallavaram Lake or Pammal Lake should give water to Pammal. It did not come from Andhra at all. It is available there. It's not managed, okay? And then this another view of the same one. The politician, a temple tank, you want to fill up and you want to construct a fish market. We went and stopped, and this is today what we see. But human intervention is important. I would say people's participation is very important. This another, I'm quickly pushing it because it's all you see before and after. What is the before and after? Before people are sleeping, people got woken up and took initiative. That's what we see. The number of water bodies, I'm not going in detail. Okay. It's all before and after. And I want to say that we earn the enmity of people. That's why I'm going to give a solution. This another lake, I forgot Ambuj Sharma was very helpful to us in restoration of this water body. I would like to acknowledge him. This is, Mohapir, one water body. So we have covered, we have also taken up, reverse construction of, I want to tell our ED, you said there's no Chennai Peninsula of water. Kuvam and Adaya. Adaya starts in what you call, what's the temple? Tirunelmalai, okay? And Chamarabanga Lake water comes. You can have so many check dams there. Even Kuvam we can have so many check dams. This one, we protested and check dam we got it. Okay, Groom. The last slide. Only this I want to talk my time, and I want to tell you, if this is followed, you will all agree. We have been, I want to share one of my own quotes. Stop preaching, start doing. The world will be blessed by one scoundrel, at least you and me. And we all preach, we don't practice. So we all took a vow. So what, the main problem is water body is owned by many departments. Same thing like a police case. You go to a police station and say it's not our jurisdiction. So water body, if you look at it, village, you go to village panchayat, then PWD, Metro Water, and you don't know who military, army, HRNC, even some private government corporates have their own water body. So I strongly recommend, probably themselves should recommend the government, we need a water body authority in a department who should exclusively, they have that, what do you call, authority to exercise. You don't need to go and wait. Collector, there's no time actually. We have been knocking the doors of collector, the encroachment sector. He doesn't have time. He's got long list of work besides receiving the VVIPs, okay? So the point is, it's all orphaned lakes. So Lake Pond, Ramarao is a great fan of that. What is Lake Pond? It's only 2 points I want to say and complete. What is Lake Pond? It's like Ardhanarishwaram. These lakes and all around Chennai. Chennai, it's equal to Minnesota. First inventory audit you must do. How many water bodies Chennai had? How many it is having? Number has gone down, it's shrinking. And it's depth also lost. Everything, it's all out because we create garbage and sewage and all. So Lake Pond is, we can't have one new lake. Suppose think you want to do one in Soding and Allu. What's the cost of 1 acre land? So I am suggesting to Mr. Arun Ram through, please tell the government, each lake you can go deep. You can go deep. It's not like taking sand from river. Because river, if you take sand, it loses the water retention capacity. But this is like digging a well. All lakes can water withholding capacity. I want to tell our ED in particular, we can improve it with 3 times. 3 times or 4 times. You know what happens? If you improve make it a lake and pond, originally it was what you call, it's all for irrigation purpose. Now there is no irrigation land. You have to redesignate it as drinking water pond. Redesignate it, go deep, and I'll tell you something interesting to better water ED. If you do that, there is no need for water pipe at all. If you touch the water table, my well will get water. That's another, there won't be seawater intrusion. So the lake pond is one of the dream idea of all of us. Increase the capacity. Increase the capacity, that's what lake pond, and within the lake pond, you can put bore wells, and ponds all should have bores. And I am happy to tell, all the temple ponds have been given to us. We already started the rest, but we are doing very silently. The third point, water god, home guard, police has so much of work. So people who are interested to support, we have a traffic warden and all. So what all of time somebody can work, I can give you 10,000 water guards. What is water guard means? The people who are interested, the local people, they will keep an eye on that. In fact, the idea with Ambuj Sharma we gave him, we should have a walking track. You can't have a watchman. That's why you Tirupandar Lake, you put a walking track. People walk morning and evening. There's nobody who can spoil the water. Okay, water god, I told you, this thousands of volunteers are ready to support the government. Okay, last idea, zero waste I'm not doing. Marsh, I want to tell you, marshland, I really feel pity. You know, there's no greater city than Chennai. I traveled many nations, there's no greater city. And we have marshland. We lost 90% of marshland due to all of us creating, each of us poor create 500 gram and rich create 1 kilo waste every day. What the corporation will do? They go and dump it there. So marshland, this is my dream area. If Times Square is willing, I will bring my team. What is it, marshland? We can restore the marshland very easily, I want to tell you. Marshland, you know what is marshland? The water table which you are searching, going beneath. You see a film, a hero wants to go to South America, he keeps on putting gold. He reaches South America without passport with visa. We are searching water. But here, marshland, the water table comes to surface. What you are looking for, you are sitting its mouth. Marsh already, you know, we have lost 90% of marshland. But what I suggest, we can get CSR funds and companies to do it, government should do it. We can move the entire, whatever you have fallen, we are dumped there in marshland. You can make another mountain. We have St. Thomas Mountain, and we got two or three mountains are there. Palavaram Malai, another Malai, Kupai Malai. But Kupai restored Manila. And Malai Panna now getting Mada P, Kiran Tandi. See, the water, you know, water can move fast. Water has all the power in it. So with 2-3 rains and water from water table coming up, this whole soil will open up. This body, this new mountain will stand a testimony for all our commissions and omissions. We generated 5,500 metric tons of garbage every day. So waste is another problem. I think I want to, you all visit our house. We don't give waste to corporation. If you all going to throw waste outside, one day you will leave on, your house will be sitting on a garbage dump. I want to say that. I think I covered fairly. This is very important. Water body authority is needed immediately. Lake pond, water god, and marsh should be restored immediately. If you restore marsh, it's a water basin, flooders from Chennai, and no city has. And one more thing, last I want to say, if you go to Dubai, Abu Dhabi and all, they convert desert into wetland. We are converting wetland into desert. I want to say, I want to take 90% blame goes to people. That's all I want to say. I want to thank you. I done very fast. Sorry, we have 10 minutes, about 40 years experience. Thank you.
It was exceptional, well, especially sticking to those 10 minutes. It was, jokes apart, it was a great, perspective he gave. Especially about, we all have heard of vertical growth of cities. When cities can't expand, they grow vertically, like Singapore, big city, all the big cities for that matter. He's talking about another vertical development, which is the reverse direction, in terms of deepening the ponds and getting water up there. Thank you so much, Nirmal. Now I want to...
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go and click the bell icon to get regular updates from our channel. In case you have missed any videos, please visit the channel page by clicking the channel icon.